With many people uneasy about the economy, COVID, monkeypox, and politics, it's easy to fall victim to a scam.
Consumer reporter John Mattery shows us this morning some of the latest scams to watch out for so you don't waste your money.
Mary Powell saw her phone light up the other day, and instantly her whole world changed.
So I was at work and I get a call with a girl sobbing.
Mary says she panicked.
The only word I could make out was mom. And then all of a sudden a male voice got on the line. He said something about Walmart and a parking lot and a robbery, and I have your daughter's phone and wallet.
The man said he had her daughter and would only release her if Mary went to her bank and withdrew thousands of dollars in cash.
I was very confused and very panicked.
But it was all a scam. It's called the virtual kidnapping scam. Mary's daughter wasn't being held in a car somewhere. She was safe at home. But it works, just like so many other scams this year.
It's always the same music. It's just different lyrics.
Adam Levin is co-host of the podcast, What the Hack. He walked us through some of the top scams of 2022 so far. First up, LinkedIn phishing scams, where hackers try to impersonate your boss to get you to wire money to someone outside the company.
There is a sense of urgency to it and a sense that if you don't do it, a contract could be lost, a relationship could be destroyed.
Also, subscription renewal scams. If you get an email saying you owe money to a computer or an antivirus company, check your account. Next up, voicemail callback scams. Claiming to be from your bank or your cable company, well, they'll ask for account numbers over the phone. And finally, Amazon Prime scams, where phony websites offer unusually low prices to get your account information. Adam says it's during these times of uncertainty when scammers try to take advantage of people like Mary.
Unfortunately, today, it's never trust, always question, always verify.
That way you don't waste your money. I'm John Mattery.